In this lesson, we will be installing OpenCV library. OpenCV is an open source computer vision library provided by Intel. In this course, we will be using the OpenCV library for face recognition. We will set the drone camera to track a person based on this face recognition. Now let's get started installing. Now open your web browser and go to https://opencv.org. If you have any problems installing the library, please do your Google searching for ways to troubleshoot. With Mac, we can install the OpenCV with Brew. Let's close this window and launch the terminal. In the terminal, type in Brew install OpenCV. Once you hit the return button, the installation will begin. This may also take some time, so I will skip to the screen after the process finishes. Here we have finished installing the OpenCV. We need to clear this screen, so type in clear and hit the return button. We want to use the OpenCV on Python, so we will install the library using pip. Type pip3 install OpenCV-Python. If you installed the Python from the official site, you will be typing pip3. For those who's installed Python with Anaconda, you will only need to type pip. In my case, I've installed Python from the official site, so this should be pip3. Once you hit return, the installation will begin. Again, I'll skip the process to the last. Here we've finished installing, so let's clear the screen by typing clear. Now we want to check if we can access the OpenCV with Python. Let's launch the shell by typing Python 3 and hit return. Now we type in import cv2 and hit return. If you don't see any errors, this means the OpenCV has been successfully installed. To exit the screen, you need to either type exit or Control D. Now we are ready to go on to the actual programming.